All right, we're here in a bathroom remodel project in Tampa. And if you look at this vanity here, we have the vanity cabinet set, but we don't have the countertops on this vanity yet. We are at what we call the templating stage. And that is where we set the vanity and then we template or measure the countertops so that they can be made in a fabrication shop. One of the biggest tips that I have learned is to make sure that you have the sink and the faucet set in the sink base where you're going to have the templater come in and template it. That's usually a separate company that does the marble or the granite or the quartz insulation. And it can be really hard for them to walk around the whole project trying to find what sink and faucet goes with this countertop. And it's something very important to the process of fabrication is making sure they have the right sink and the right faucet for this application. So foolproof way is to put the sink and the faucet in the cabinet. When the guys come up to template, they find the sink and the faucet right there, ready to go. And there's no question about what type of sink and what kind of faucet. Where that pays off is at the end of the project. Everybody's running around trying to figure out what sink and faucet goes into this because they've got an installation like tomorrow. So one of the best tips for doing countertops in a bathroom or a kitchen is put the sink and the faucet in the sink base for the guys when they come to template. For more tips and information on remodeling, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.